Good morning, everybody. As promised, try out the new taste. Raspberries and blueberries. Just remove these. Into my soya milk. Okay. Close this. And I just have to shake now and hope it tastes great. Okay, it's good enough. And okay, it's a great taste, but I think it would be even better with normal soya milk. So let's try that tomorrow morning. But for now, I'm really happy with my order of the blueberries and raspberry new taste. So that's it for now. Goodbye, everybody.